Welcome back to carburetorsandsmore.com, 832-221-4007. This is a Holley 600 CFM electric choke boat carburetor. It's vacuum secondaries, painted black Coast Guard color. It's got the J tubes, and we're going to start it up for you and show you how it works. Yep, just point at it almost and it starts. I'm going to wait for the gauges in the back to catch up. Rev it up in the meantime a little bit, see what's going on. Okay, gauges look good. Okay, here we go. Motor's warmed up. We're going to give it a free rev test without the transom engaged. Everything looks good. I'm going to go back and engage the dyno or the transom, transmission, and the boat. You heard it pull down, the engine pull down. That's the dyno engaged, and what we're going to do is we're going to rev it up a couple times, but one time of those is going to have a rev limiter on it. So here we go. Props in the water, pulling a big heavy load. Very, very, very good one. Just turn the rev limiter on and try it again. It's a good one. Alright, once again, it's Carburetors and More, 832-221-4007.